Okay, this is a review of a new Minn Kota Riptide 45 pound thrust variable speed trolling motor. I have it in a test tank here, hooked up with the stock cord, which I extend with some 10 gauge copper wire. It's hooked to a old absorbed glass mat battery that came out of my Jeep Liberty. I have it hooked to a what's up watt meter, and there is an inline 50 amp circuit breaker. So on the top there is a battery meter. You gotta press it kind of hard to get the lights to come on, but seems to work nicely. And if we start the thing running, just get the prop turning by twisting the handle clockwise to the forward direction. You can see that it is drawing about a little over a quarter of an amp to just get the prop going. If we bring it up to about, I guess it would be halfway to 10 on the speed control, we're at a little over a third of an amp. If we bring it up to about 10, not quite making an amp yet, so I'm just going to turn the handle, bring it up to an amp. I guess that's a little beyond the 10 mark on the speed control. We bring it right up to 30. And we're drawing a little over, well, just about 3.5 amps. Not quite. I'm sure if I twist the handle a little bit, we can get it up there to 3.5. In the test tank, this probably I can go about half speed without really making a mess. And about half speed, it's drawing 8.5 amps. And push it a little harder, and you can see that we're almost up to 10.5 amps. And drop it back down to 10 again. As you can hear, it's very quiet. It's very smooth. The handle works well. The transom clamp, unfortunately, is glass-filled plastic, I guess. It's not cast aluminum, though the rest of the hardware is marine grade. Appears to be all stainless steel. The shaft is some kind of glass or graphite composite. I think it's probably fiberglass. And the shaft on this was shortened here. It's a 36-inch shaft, which is too long for the small boat, so I'm going to put this on. So it cut off about 8.5 inches, which there's a nice procedure for a similar motor on the internet. It's not too hard. And it's pretty stabilized at about speed 10, and we're drawing 13 watts, or just over an amp. Unfortunately, I don't know how what the amp hour rating on this battery is. It says 950 cranking amps at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll see if I can find some kind of conversion for that, but they generally recommend about 105 amp hour battery to run these things with. This is quite a bit shy of that given the size. But I think you probably get a good 3 or 4 hours of run time, you know, at moderate to low speed with this. Okay, there it is. I paid about $300 for this off of an internet website in Florida. It was delivered quite quickly. I look forward to giving it a try. Thanks for watching.